So how to make your first 5,000 US dollars per month with affiliate marketing. Now, as you can see, I'm at the moment on clickbank.com, and here you can choose many different offers that you can promote as an affiliate. If you don't have an account yet, I suggest you to create your free account by going over here and sign up for the free account as an affiliate. Now let's go into depth about how you can make at least $5,000 per month with affiliate marketing. So let me go over to my PowerPoint over here, and let's do a slideshow so you can clearly see exactly how you can make your first $5,000 per month. So over here you can see, right, the first thing is pick an offer. So what I mean by that, pick an offer mean pick a product that you're going to promote. It can be on any affiliate network. I mentioned ClickBank. There are many others like Max Bounty or Digistore, right? But I would suggest you to pick one affiliate network and go with one offer. So what offer to pick? There are many niches, there are many different sub niches. So what to go for? Go for the one that is most profitable, where the people are already willingly spending money hand over fist. Why? Because in the niches like weight loss, make money online, relationships, right? You have also woodworking and stuff like that, but those are all hobby niches, right? Where is the most pain? Like toothache, right? About dental stuff. Then you have weight loss, then you have diabetes, right? All of these niches, people who have diabetes are looking for the solutions, right? How to lower their blood sugar, or how to, I don't know, get rid of the back pain. Those are the niches with a lot of desire, where people are already willing to spend money to get rid of pain and to get the exact solution they're looking for, right? So choose an offer that is paying at least $50 to $200 with upsells. Now most people, most affiliates only focus on the front end offer. Like for example, let's say I have this phone here, I have this iPhone here, right? Let's say it costs, I don't know, $1,500, right? So you only focus on this phone. But what is behind this phone, right? It can be a charger, it can be headphones, it can be, I don't know, app, right? So all of those things are called upsells, where you pay additional things and you buy additional things, right? So you as an affiliate, you should do the same. You should be looking for an offer that has a great upsell take rate. That's why most people are losing money on ads, because they're only focusing on the front end sell. How much can I make for one sell? So as you can see over here, in some cases you can make $50 for the front end sell, but then after on the back end you can make even up to $200 or $500 extra. Now stop and think about this. Really important. Let's do the math. Let's break down $5,000 for what it is per month, right? So if you want to make $5,000 per month, you need, let's say, at the bare minimum, one sale per day. Let's say that you're getting only one sale a day from ClickBank offer as an affiliate. So you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, right? You're promoting one offer that is paying $50. So you are getting from only $50 offer, if you have only one sale a day, only one, you are getting $1,500 per month. Now this can be good money or not so good for some people. But with the upsells from the same offer, let's say over here for 200, right? You can make extra $4,500 per month. So in this case, with one sale a day, with only one offer from ClickBank, for example, or Digistore, you can be making, let's do the math. Let me show you how much can you be making with only one offer. And I guarantee you this is over $5,000. So one offer that's paying $50 to $200, you make $1,500 plus $4,500, you're making $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing, promoting one offer. So that's why it's really important to have the right product. Next thing, good audience with pain and desire. Like I mentioned, the audience needs to be pre-sold on the idea, on the plan, on the concept, and on the solution. If you have the right parade of people, and you put the right message in front of them at the right time, of course, percentage of those people or higher percentage is going to definitely buy the product. Just look around yourself. Go out to the store. People are buying products every single day, online and offline. So there is no reason why they wouldn't buy from you. if you have the right message, like they say over here, the right offer, of course, and message to market match using ad and your landing, basically your landing page, blog, advertorial, or website. So you have to have good audience, good product, great quality pre-sale page, right? Not a scammy affiliate site. Most people are using ClickFunnels, GuruFunnels, right? Most gurus are pushing you this because they want to make money off of you buying those subscriptions. But you need to be different. You need to position yourself as an authority in the marketplace. You need to be different. That's why personally I'm using different stuff. I'm not using these expensive softwares because I want to position myself differently, right? So desire is another thing, right? What is the surface desire of your market? You need to understand that. And of course, describing your prospect, like I call it empathy map, right? You need to understand what is the problems, fears, desires of your targeted market. What do they want, right? At the end of the day, what do they want? So if you want to have success with this, how you can get started as a newbie with affiliate marketing, right? You can go out there and buy the course. You can spend $3,000 on a course or $1,000, whatever, right? But the problem with courses is that there is no support, there is no hand holding along the way, right? Once you get stuck, and most people do from my experience, then you don't have anyone to hold your hand along the way to help you go further. Or they will most likely ask you to pay extra $15,000 for personal coaching. So what can you do? How you can get started as an affiliate as soon as today and start generating results really, really fast? With courses, you have to watch videos, right? You have to watch videos every single day, and then you have to waste 8 weeks of your life to get or to not get the results, right? So how it works with me? With me, you're getting done for you website, which is professional website. It's not just one page render with ClickFunnels. Personally, I would use WordPress because it's really professionally. You can design your landers. So you are getting done for you 5-page affiliate website with all your ClickBank or Digistore links built in. So you get all the links on your landing page. Now ad copies. If you're running Google ads or Facebook ads, you are getting done for you ad copies that are proven to work, right? That are tested. So you don't have to waste money on your ads. Like with courses, right? You don't get targeting details. You don't get the buyers list, right? And you don't get anyone to help you one-on-one. So this is the downside, the cons of buying courses, right? No support, no buyers list, meaning email list that you can hash, upload, and then create a lookalike audiences or similar audiences of customers who are looking to buy, who are going to most likely buy or purchase the product that you're promoting as an affiliate, of course. So you're getting done for your website, ad copies, targeting details, so you don't just rely on one, right? You don't have to waste a bunch of money on testing what audiences are working and what audiences are not performing well, right? So this is really important because most people are wasting money. After they buy a course, they waste money on ads because they don't know what they're doing, what the hell is going wrong, what they did is right? They don't know, they are confused. So that's why it's really important to have targeting details, to have ad copies that are compliant. So of course your ads are not getting shut down, right? If you have compliant offer in the safe niches with a safe ad copy and the good quality landing page, then of course Facebook and Google is going to love you as an affiliate because you look to them from their point of view. You look as a vendor, as an owner of the product, not some affiliate, right? So you position yourself differently. And after watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want help, you can reach me out under this video. Going to be links to my social media accounts where you can connect. And over here on my Instagram, right, you can reach me out. You can find me. We can connect one-on-one. If you have questions about running ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, ClickBank, affiliate marketing, Digistore, whatever, right? If you want support, let me know below this video, and then we can connect one-on-one, and let's see if we can work something out together. So thank you for watching this video.